So are you trying to create your own product online and sell them on Etsy, but you feel like you're not getting anywhere? In today's video, I'm sharing with you several tools that I use that helps me create and sell my products online that I really believe it will be helpful to you if you learn how to use them and why you need them. I'm going to share those all with you coming up next. So welcome back to the video, my friends. If you are new here, my name is Jay, and on this channel I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides to teach you exactly how to create and sell your own products online. And so if you like content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. And all the tools and resources I talk about today will be linked in my description box below, along with a discount code if you want to get started now. This discount code is an affiliate link. That means every time you use their service, it helps support the channel. Now let's jump into the video. So if you are trying to start selling digital products on Etsy, I believe you are headed in the right direction. I believe one of the easiest ways to get started as a beginner is to create digital products in a low competitive niche where you are able to get your product seen and then get your product sold. And I believe there are a couple things that will be valuable to you as you are on your journey creating these digital products. And the main place that I create all of my digital products is on Canva. So Canva is a place where you can create different digital product designs like ebook covers, digital wall art designs, journals, budget templates, birthday invitations, wedding invitations, and many different things just like it. So Canva is easy to use and easy to get started, and actually have templates to help you brainstorm your ideas if you are trying to get started selling these type of products. You can add images and upload your own elements, change the font, decorate them with different colors, change the background. The digital products you are able to create is really left up to your ideas and your creative design. Now, one of the reasons I like using Canva because you are actually able to create Canva templates that you can actually sell on Etsy. Selling Canva templates allow the customer to design the template the way they would like it and input their information without you necessarily being there. And this is a really great way to make passive income online because, again, you're just selling the template. You don't have to be there to recreate that design or personalize it for them. As long as the customer receives your Canva template, they can make all of those changes in Canva itself. And the customer doesn't necessarily have to buy the Canva Pro account because Canva allows their users to use it for free. Now, the next tool that I use to help me sell my digital products online is the keyword research tool, Allura. Now, the reason why I like using Allura is because I believe their Google extension tool is really good when it comes down to finding winning products that are selling right now. I believe that you should find products that are selling right now so that you can actually implement those same strategies and tips in your own digital products. Now, there are other research tools that you can use that can actually be helpful as well, but I personally enjoy using Allura because I'm able to see what products have been sold in the last 30 days, how these leading products are actually titled and what tags they're using, as well as what they're using for their thumbnails. All this data I can use in my own personal store. So obviously you should not copy someone's original design, but again, what is winning right now is proven to sell, and therefore you're able to learn how to create engaging titles, what thumbnails are selling well, what tags are actually getting traffic to that product, and then you are able to differentiate your product by creating something maybe with more value or maybe creating a bundle to give the customer more for their money. And without the Allura tool, you really can't find products quickly like this. You have to go one by one into every product and find the best sellers badge. And that can take a lot of time away from your creative process. I believe that you want to create systems that help you create things faster, right? You want to be able to increase your quality as well as your quantity of products in regards to selling things on Etsy. And having this research tool will help you create products that are proven to sell and actually help you get traffic to those items. Now, another program that I use, I think is a really good tool, is Sell Samurai. Now, Sell Samurai, I use it personally to find keywords that are actually getting a lot of traffic. They also have a Google extension tool where you are able to see how many people are coming per month for that particular search phrase. And so Allura is great when you're trying to find digital products that are winning. Again, you want to create products with purpose, but Sell Samurai really drives the traffic because you're using keywords, titles, tags that are driving traffic because you are able to see how many people are coming to that particular keyword every single month. So when you're able to combine these two powerful things of finding winning products and creating a product with engaging titles that are already getting traffic, then you are able to get these sales and therefore learn from your success in your store and create multiples of things that are selling right now. So the next tool that I use is really what I use more so on my print on demand store. I use Placeit. Placeit is a great way for you to create t-shirt designs, but also mock up your t-shirt designs. You are able to use real life models for your t-shirts. Now this is huge because if I want to actually have someone model out my t-shirt, it will be a whole day spent taking photos, spending money on models, and different people come and take different shots and have to find locations. I mean, you just can imagine the stress it will be for you to actually create a decent thumbnail or a mock-up image using real models. But I love the Placeit tool because you are able to utilize their platform to create mock-ups that are actually using real models. So to be quite honest with you, I don't know how they do it, but it is very cool. Whatever design I use, I can upload into their platform and you can see how it's already putting in the design and placing it on different mock-ups. Now again, I can have mock-ups that show the models, I can have flat lay mock-ups, I can just have the product mock-up itself. And the whole point of using this tool is to speed up the process. But this also allows me to create quality mock-ups that stop the scroll. And if you know anything about selling on Etsy, it's really all about captivating the audience with their eyes first and then giving the detail and information later. Now with the Placeit tool, you can also create t-shirts right here on the platform. And unlike Canva, you are actually able to use every single element, every single font, and Placeit and use it to sell your t-shirts. You can do all of your creative design right here in Placeit, and you can do all of your mock-up designs in the same exact place. Again, this saves you a lot of time and a lot of money because all the things you need to create a successful print-on-demand t-shirt company is in this one platform. And the last tool I actually use to sell on Etsy is the company Printful. Now, Printful is really servicing those who want to create print-on-demand products, just like how I showed you in the Placeit review. And Printful is actually a company that will do all the heavy lifting for you if you're trying to create print-on-demand products. They would do all the printing for you, the packaging for you, and the shipping for you. And this allows me to sell t-shirts in a passive way because I don't have to create any of these t-shirts from home. I don't have to worry about printing them. I don't have to worry about packaging them. All I have to do is create the design, upload them into Printful, and allow Printful to connect with my Etsy shop. And every time someone buys a print-on-demand t-shirt, Printful will get the information, get the address, get the customer name, and ship it straight out to my customer. Could I create all these t-shirts myself? Yes, I could. But again, that would not allow me to make this income in a passive way. So if you want to create print-on-demand products and create a new stream of passive income, creating your Printful account to your Etsy shop is an essential process if you want to do that passively. I know I went over these tools very quickly here, and if you want to get a deep dive tutorial into each tool that I talked about, then check out my links in my description box below. All of the tools and resources I shared with you in today's video will be linked in my description box below, along with a discount code if you want to get started now. These are affiliate links, which basically means if you use their services, it helps support the channel. So if you want to have a good start with selling your products online with Etsy, I believe these tools will help you accelerate that process as well as help you learn how to create these things online. So that is the end of today's video, my friends. That was in any way helpful or encouraging, let me know by leaving a like on today's video. Also, if you want to check out more content like this, I release new videos every single week, helping you learn how to create and sell your own products online. So as always, my friends, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.